sariwang damit, parang pumasok na freshman. Takpan mo walang kwenta lahat.
Ano mo nalaman, babe? Ang cute.
Bugtong-bugtong, matigas, maumbok, hinihimas bago pumasok.
Alas.
Doorknob.
Bugtong-bugtong, mahaba at matigas. Pag sinubo ay makatas. Ice candy.
Bugtong-bugtong, ang dulo ay pula. Kulay puti ang ibinubuga. Sigarilyo! Bugtong-bugtong.
Bugtong-bugtong. Pa-share, guys. Pasent naman Star Jam.
Sumakay ako sa jeepney. Pipip mo kuya, pipip mo kuya.
Oh my God. This is natural.
Kuya. Uy, wait niyo ako. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So mga yun, may namantan naman tayong insidenteng nasagasaan matapos tinakbuhan. Gotta make a move to a town. Shut hell. Sumakay.
Pa-share.
Okay, I said it. Sumakay.
Ano po tayo ng tuyo?
Lamok, di. Wala akong pake, masarap ang pagkain. Kahit sinong lamok ka pa kakainin kita.
Saya lamok na.
Hindi mo, bell tremor.
Rose.
Missing link.
Someone pulled this girl into the aircraft lavatory. A few minutes later, another girl sick.
Ang hina mo! Risita!
Guys, meron akong biniling pang prank. Pero, ang malupit, uutusan natin si Baby. Baby! Ano?
Ang init.
Dito. Oh, di ka ba ata nakakain to?
Oh, alright. Okay.
Please let a bottle flip in the next 10 clips. I mean, 1, 2, 3.
Pa-share, share. Bukol ka? Kata daw ito. Buayan, maganda guys ng akin. Thank you. Shout out to Eric. Okay, katulis ko.
I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4.
God bless you. Master Saint. Hindi pa ngayon. Kasi natin gusto na.
Masakit yung tiyan ko, ikaw.
Nangungula ako, ikaw.
Ano nangungula ko?
Katiwan.
Lagayan mo lang ang sasabihin ko. So yung lagayan mo lang ako. Okay, nagtututbrush ako o ikaw?
Nagtututbrush ako, ikaw.
Ano? Gagawa ka ng sarili mong rason. Huli ako!
Hi, Gem. Hello.
Ang laki!
Pastilan, ayaw nagigula na pag-abre. Kaya delikado kayo kung kamuta na. Hayat na
Hello,
sorry,
to
waves
all.
coming out again. Topless dog and
Chika
dog
pa.
is protecting me because I'm
Chika pa si mga
Hold on, these
tagaw
medium
sa
waves
side
are
sila.
a little too close. I gotta jump over these and
Comment, anong,
I don't think I can get over these.
anong kailangan mo kita na, yung anong ipakita?
These fast waves on this big pooping dog, and come on,
Yung ipin ko.
Jumped over them. But Those waves are
Paa?
bigger. Can I get over these two? Please.
Paa?
On to the next dog. I'm standing right on his ear. Is that enough? And yo, it is. I got past all these lightning waves.
Like a virgin.
Jump over this and
Huwag na naman na.
what is that? I'm not making this, dude. Oh, come on.
Rudy Snorrois.
These two
Nag-rise na punta ka. Balik ang kanin.
really close, but I'm pretty sure I can make
I
it.
try 1 week, 2 weeks. Ah? Kakaya
What is that? Guys, help me survive. Click like and subscribe to help me out somehow. 3, 2, 1.
Tagay. Tagay. Fast lang siya.
I actually made it. Now, who wants this Meditech net? No, scary. What's your top 5 brain rots? Also, you better not spawn a wave right now. Number 5. Wait a second. Is it 6, 7? Yeah, I like 6, 7.
Hindi ko na mapigilan yung paa ni mo. Pakita.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Pinipit ako itlog.
Comment down below if you have a guess on what it is. I'm really curious. Here's 3. Where is it? Oh, heck no. I got a jump. So get that out of here. Get this out of here right now. I will never have a job. Be nice.
6, 7.
I will not be nice to a job. Just see what number 2 is already. Number 2, Nubini and Fini. Okay, that's pretty neat. I actually kind of like this one, not gonna lie. But look at the first one possibly being like equals reveal. Wait, so if everybody likes the video, you'll reveal what your favorite brain rot is? All right, well, this better be good because everyone's waiting to see it. Sarah. Come on, just spawn it in already. It's gonna be like the new Paradox or something. I'm really
Ito ang
excited.
first dyan, natin na.
Okay, let's
Uy,
see it.
bakit may upok sa jacket ko?
Hold on a second. It's a giant Rainbow 6-7. Yo, there's so many waves coming. I gotta get on top of this dog. And yo, the dog is protecting me because I'm high enough. But hold on. These medium waves are getting a little too close. I gotta jump over these. And okay, that's not bad. I don't think I can get over these, though.
Uy, pasikat.
Let's see if I can get
Wa
over
pa
this.
ni mo gibutang sa bag mo. Ihi.
Come on. You actually jumped over them. Those
Sige.
waves are getting a little bigger. Can I get over these?
No.
Please. On to the next dog. I'm standing right on his ear. Is that enough? And yo, it is. I got past all these lightning waves. Bro, there's always a bigger wave though. Like, come on. Let me jump over this.
Gusto mo na ako sa Roblox. Bitin yun na.
Please. Choose your...
Mga pre, gumawa ako ng bagong laser tower sa Roblox, mga pre. At sa bagong laser tower na ginawa ko, mga pre, ay sobrang chill lang talaga, mga pre. As in, sobrang basic lang talaga, mga pre. Kaya pang low cortisol na pang low cortisol talaga.
Ano yung pinakamalaking baon na natanggap mo nung bata ka?
1,000.
Comment your answers down. Pero nabigay pa rin yung cardboard mo na parang ganito.
Ilong.
His little dad fell asleep in his car, so his
Ano pa
family
Ilong?
decided to pull up and he flew over the
O sige, ning ari diri ha.
Ikaw, ilong ako. Basta ilong.
Shout out dia Kim support ba ya. Shout out si Mojohan. Good evening.
Let's go with number 1. Feeling good about number 1.
Thank you po sa stars. Thank you so much. Wow, naka-request si Madam ng Staugma with snack ha. Di ba bugay? Ingog dira.
Let's go with number 1 again. Are you cheating, bro? You got the best one back to back. I don't know how you
Inang tani.
All right, let's move on.
Itaas ang iyong damit.
This is gonna be your
Matangtang
prize
ako,
for surviving the wave.
Ang
This is gonna
imong,
be
ha?
a crazy brain rot, but there's
Ang
one
ako,
bad
ano?
brain rot. 3, 2,
Kitang-tang kita nimo kay kabalo man ka nga naa kay bag-o. Mindset
let's
na.
go with number 1. Let's go 1. All right, you got a pretty good brain rot, but you didn't get the best
Wala
one, so
akong
maybe you
tangtang
weren't
na.
cheating. Let's go to the next one.
Iso.
All right, now this is gonna be the wave that you have to survive. 1, 2, or 3. You know what? 1, 2, or 3. You know what? Let's switch it up and go with number 1. Oh, you got the hardest wave to survive. Oh, are you serious? Oh, this is gonna be. Let's move on to the next one.
Tubo
All
ka.
right, this is the
Wait,
this is your jumping power. 1, 2, or 3.
Bye.
You know what? Let's switch it up. We're not gonna go let's just go number 1. Ooh, you got the worst jumping power. You only have 1 jumping power.
Sapa.
Alright, now we're on to the
Sapa, ay,
final category.
Sakto, nagugutom
Snap.
na ako. Uy, pandesal ka na yun, boss. Pandesal, boss. Boss, wait lang, boss. Ano yung boss?
Wala ka
Pabili
snack.
ako, boss. Oh, boss. Sure ka ba? Oh, pandesal eh.
Do you want to start? Yes.
Ano yan?
Ah.
Bernadette, inubos mo na. Ito sa
Sayaw daw. Sige, Southstar. Sayaw ko. Pisto ko lang lang. Bumbong.
Jordan?
Sige na nga, nakita ko na din eh.
Apil ang PC.
Bili ako, bagong sapatos oh. Jordan.
Ba't nililis mo madumi?
Second hand. Bakit? Mahal ang Jordan ngayon. Feeling mo ba kapag may ganito astig ka? Kung may Jordan ka, astig ka. O, parang ako, astig ako.
Ba't second hand lang?
Love, mahal nga ito eh.
Okay.
Mahal nga ito, hindi ka, kung di ka na pala second hand, ano yan? Walang alam sa sneaker game. Kasi nga mga resale, mga resale, mga used.
Ano yung star, superstar, bautait. Now,
Basketball ka?
superstar, 5,000 superstar.
Bibili ba ako ng Jordan? At huwag dahilan kung bakit dapat kang maging maingat sa pagpili kung saan uupo sa
Ano yung
isang
gatas?
soccer
Uy,
match.
tinitigwa.
Kapag hindi mo pinili ng maayos ang iyong upuan, may malaking posibilidad na mangyari ang ganitong sitwasyon. Nang walang anumang babala, ang mga fans sa itaas na bahagi ay biglang naglatag ng isang napakalaking bandila na tuluyang tumakip sa lahat ng nakaupo sa ibaba nila sa parehong hanay. Ang problema,
Namatay ang babaeng alimango at lahat ng kanyang mga anak ay nagsimulang lumabas sa kanyang katawan. Kaya naman, nagdesisyon ng lalaki na i-adopt ang isa sa kanila at dalhin ito sa bahay. Doon niya ito nilagay sa aquarium bilang bagong tirahan nito. Pero ang munting alimango ay gutom at lagi siyang nagsisikap na makatakas. Kaya binigyan siya ng lalaki ng isda
Shut
para
up,
kainin.
Cloud
Pero pagkatapos
Farm. Kudabato. Kudabato. More send star, guys. Thank you so much.
Naglugan ako, malakukot ko.
Gay. Sino makag-watching dira? Di ba tingog? Watching nini.
I just spent
You're still
Taas
banging
ko din.
impur.
The cutter.
Pa.
Thank you. Thanks, Star. Can you more send star, guys? Thank you so much. Hello. My God. Ba't din na? Nagigil kasi mong lubot. Kiss ko ba ito? Pakot kang kami. Kaya ito na. Kiss ko ba ito na? Lampi bumot. Uy, bumot. Kiss ko. Good night. Kay Molina, lamia imo up and down. Thank you, stars. Can you more sing, guys? So good ugma mag. Thank you so much, Stephen. Thank you so much, Star. Thank you so much, guys. More sin. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. More sin. Pumunta sa TikTok. Tiri na punta sa Facebook. Kan TikTok masuko siya makakita sa Canada. Uy, bugay. Nung saan mo kadira? Nabot na mo ate? Hi, Nicole. Excuse me. Ano to si Maonari? Kaikang boy. Sirahan mo na. Lamian mo daw eh. Ba't ko? Naikibot oh. Kasi, yawan, ano man. Tawa ta si Princess? Ate, ano, yawan. Tao na mo. Igang ba? One. Ay, tabi, kinimo ko. Thank you so much, I star guys. Can you more send more? Buat di atas. PayPal, yes. Chat me, friend. Okay, I chat you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can you more send, guys? Bye, guys.